Welcome to Our Life in Israel. I am Taylor and this is Idan. We have explored many miles together and found ourselves living in Israel the last 4 years. In a farm village, you never know who else you're going to meet along the way. This is Bagheera, Bonnie, and Bruce. Who's ready for the next adventure? Click the subscribe button and join us on our journey every single Monday.
Oh, yes. Oh, it's Elizabeth.
No.
Yes, it is. I know it is. Frozen. Oh my gosh, that's crazy.
Oh, there's a waterfall.
There's a little waterfall.
In the winter, the winds get so crazy they blow all the wheat over, and it's absolutely amazing how it clears up the sky in the day. I'm just getting a close-up at you.
There's a little almond tree. Look at that. This is hard, motherfucker. He's been baking in the sun maybe the whole time. Oh, Ian.
It is peach season this time in Israel, so it's absolutely beautiful to see all the little flowers popping up before their fruits are coming out.
So I have 16 enough.
Hope your day or morning, afternoon, wherever you are is treating you so well, and I want you to remember that you are your identity. You are a choice of your state, your mind, and your actions. So make that action possible. Don't get me wrong, I am absolutely amazed that the iPhone is waterproof. However, I haven't had much experience with it because I'm a little afraid of what's going to happen if I put it in the beach and it gets a little salty. So right now, as you can see, it is absolutely pouring. It has filled the park where we usually park our cars in the afternoon. It's so crazy how fast it can rain and just fill up the entire place.
Go to the...
Oh. What?
Go directly to the light.
I did.
Oh.
Oh, this is a nice shot if I get it in a slow-mo. Wait a sec. Oh, shit!
No, dude.
Looks like it's almost snowing. Oh, oh, oh. It's pouring. I'm flipping you. Buddy, 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 buddy. Oh! You were ready.
Where are we taking you today? Well, you're about to see. Bonnie wasn't feeling so well this morning, so we kept her on a leash. However, she did kind of pull me up for the hiking experience, so that was pretty convenient. Don't get me wrong, in Bonnie's books, she's feeling great all the time, but when she throws up in the morning, we tend to try to make her take it a little bit slower than usual. Don's best friend Peleg always brings seeds with him every time we go out to the nature, and he gives us a pile and wants us to just throw them around and plant some seeds. So this is exactly what I'm doing. Here you go, my little loving nature. Take it.
Brought their water bottle?
Mm-hmm. Bonnie's like zero.
What is this smell? What is this smell? Bruce, do you smell this, Bruce? Bruce! This, I think it's a poop of a ghost. There's a lot of ghosts in this area, and I think it's a ghost poop.
Yep.
Definitely.
I told you. Yeah? Here we go. This is only because I won't ask you to do it.
No, but it needs to be the right direction.
I'm scared.
Probably did like 20 flips. I have to flip.
Whoa.
Make this video.
Are you ready?
Okay, guys. Now we're going to real life nature of the Hudeza. You see the bees start to bloom already. This is something, this you can basically eat. You can eat this and you can eat this, the leaves when you boil it. You can make nice patties from those. Now we're going inside the jungle. Let's stay quiet because there's going to be danger inside over there. Follow me, everybody.
Let's go.
About to check up. Shady.
Where are you going?
Ruby.
That's Bonnie le at. Jesus Christ. She's pulling near Hushmuta. As usual, everyone, thanks for tuning in every Monday. Always dropping us a comment, liking and subscribing. We appreciate it so much, and we can't wait to show you more. Let's get on with it. In this side of the woods, there are a lot of cattle that roam around, and we found this cattle head that looks to be sitting here for quite a while. It was so beautiful we thought to make it a headpiece, but instead we left it in the nature. Yes, it is sad that we lost a life here. However, it is very interesting to be able to see it from all angles, inside and outside.
This is us. Through the Hubeza forest. It's the end of the Hubeza forest. It's taller than us. Whew.
Next week, we would be so happy to have you all enjoy us. We're going to take you to some beautiful places like usual, and I'm so excited because we found an incredible place to film a workout video. So I will definitely include that in the link below. Like you know, every Monday we have a new Life in Israel episode and a new workout all for you. So definitely can't wait for you all to enjoy it, and reach out to me if you haven't already. Sending you all so much love, and have a wonderful day.
Bye, everybody.